The chair doesn't go up anymore. I just want you guys to see my nice shirt, which is Attitude. You guys see? You like it? Hey guys, today I have actually a huge haul from Marshalls, Ross, and Nordstrom Rack. These are my favorite stores of all times. I have beauty products, some like fashion, blah blah blah. So let's go guys and I'll show you. Oh my god, everything is falling. Let's go guys and show you what I actually, why is so slow motion. I see myself in the viewfinder, I don't know. So sorry guys for technical difficulties. 3 years filming YouTube channel videos, and I still sometimes don't know how to do this. The same camera, same everything. I don't want to even change anything because I'm afraid that I'm going to mess it up. So guys, let's go to the beauty products first. From Marshalls I got some beauty stuff for much cheaper price that you will get in Sephora. So this is Peter Thomas Root's Rose Repair Gel Mask, beautiful natural ingredients, cooling, rejuvenating, stimulates skin turnover for younger skin looking, helps repair the sign of aging, including the appearance of fine lines, blah 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 blah, like every company promising miracles on your skin, and I am falling for this, you know, because why not? And beautiful ingredients: rosa damascene extract, fruit extract, aloe vera barbadeni juice extract. Nice, $20 from Marshalls, original price $33. Maybe in Sephora is even more. Looks like this beautiful gel mask. Actually it was sealed, it was in that protective case. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love rose. I went to drugstore, actually everything, a lot of with the rose things. Beautiful companies focusing on the natural stuff. I hope it's gonna be like natural is gonna be new beauty trend, like everything natural. And here I found Too Faced natural matte eyeshadow palette, which was $12.99. in Sephora is, I believe, like $20 or maybe even more. Do I mistaken? I never shop in Sephora. Why I have to shop in Sephora if I can buy the same older collection? I don't mind new or old collection for double cheaper. So Too Faced natural matte, looks beautiful. Colors like this, beginners, beautiful colors. I love natural matte colors like this. Amazing. Today no, but I will use for probably next video. I already tried, beautiful quality. I love Too Faced so much. My next product is Bare Minerals, and even was with more discount. It was $16, as you see guys. My color is Warm Natural number 12. This is for performance wear liquid foundation, broad spectrum, SPF 20. So you get foundation and you get SPF 20. This in Sephora I believe is like $35 if I'm not mistaken. Not used, not touched, nothing. So I'm excited to have new foundation, high quality foundation. Alright, this is Red Dr. Color Effect Red Cream. Rejuvenates skin with a million Damascene roses. Again, roses are a new trend right now. Beautiful natural ingredients, niacinamide 2%, which is beautiful. It was $10 on the discount. As you see guys, I'm always about cheap and good stuff. Yes, it's made in Korea. Let me show you what is inside. It's actually sealed over here with this little thing. It's also sealed. So 50 ml. Wow, it's big. It's like gel. I don't want to spill it, but you guys see it's like a gel. Let me put a little bit. It smells like roses. I am so obsessed with rose smell. Natural rose smell. It's like wow. I remember when I was in Bulgaria, they really produce like one of the highest quality rose products, skincare products, body products, body care, skincare in Bulgaria. They actually told me, like, I went to the like kind of there was, I believe, a museum or something like that. They say there is like certain even time in a day, like I believe like 4 in the morning, between 4 and 5 in the morning, when rose petals have the most like beneficial oil on their petals. So this is when they actually take these petals and when they produce everything. This is so fun to know about roses, that is really there is even certain time when you have to pick up and produce and blah 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 and do production of the skincare products. It's just like I'm really interested in that. Next item First time ever in my life I bought Murad. This is Murad Age Defying Serum, increases firmness by 42% in 10 minutes. Reduces the appearance of medium to deep wrinkles. Dr. Murad, Howard Murad is a board certified dermatologist and trained pharmacist who has channeled his unique expert. Blah, blah, blah. Basically it was $20. It's kind of expensive. Ingredients: water, glycolic acid. Amazing. I love glycolic acid because I believe glycolic acid is one of the most key ingredients in your skincare regime to have like anti-aging skincare routine on your next higher level. Really it's proven glycolic acid works. Same like derma rolling, microneedling, glycolic acid works, retinols work. Looks like this, $20. Murad, it's very expensive. I believe they have in Sephora Murad, right, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, but this brand is really regular toothpaste. Sia Fresh Deep Sia Super Men's Strength toothpaste, free of fluoride, $2.99. I always buy toothpaste from Nordstrom Rack, like, or TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And my favorite dry shampoo of all time is Batiste over here. This one, $7 on discount. You know why it's $7? Because it was without the cap and it was $7, and then I saw another one with the cap for $9, and I took a cap from another one and I put on this one, and I have like a new one just for much cheaper, $7. Now I'm going to Ross. I bought just a couple of items. These shoes that I always step in the poop, I'm so sorry. These are Puma shoes, 7.5 size. I love Puma shoes really much. It's very soft over here inside, but I just don't want to show the poop for you guys. Then I got Adidas shoes. I am obsessed with the sport shoes, guys. I don't wear high heels. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just left my lipstick over there. I don't wear high heels. I love sneakers. I love sport shoes. I love sport clothing and stuff like this. So this was Adidas from Ross. $39.99, $40, 7 size. Sometimes I have 7, sometimes I have 7.5, sometimes I even have 8 size. I don't know how does it work, but 7 size. This is beautiful pink, everyday sneakers, love it. I actually bought this even without trying, and after I tried, it was good. This is simple workout t-shirt from Calvin Klein, or sleeping shirt, $11.99 from Calvin Klein. And the last bag is from Nordstrom Rack. Mostly is underwear. You guys want to see my panties? I don't know, but this is what I got. This is like external charger for my phone. I'm already charging and it's beautiful. It was $7.99 with the little skulls. Very beautiful, just to drop this in your purse. All right, so this tank top from Nordstrom Rack, it was $14.97. Interesting price, but this is what it is. Red. Then I got this beautiful from Vince Camuto shirt. Oh, this is how it comes with the actually underwear. Okay, Vince Camuto beautiful shirt with the open sleeves over here like this, because I am obsessed with the open sleeves like this. If you guys see over here, and goes like this, and this goes like that. It was $35. Beautiful, love it. Then the next item what I got is this simple shirt, also super simple. In Miami it's perfect. It was $15. Every day, go to work. Then I got this one. This is really beautiful. So this also, we cut shoulders over here, the sleeves, so you can, and looks like this. I believe this is small, size small, and it was $24. Rock and roll t-shirt. And I can totally show you guys underwear that I got. This is 2 underwear G-string. It was $10. Another underwear is like Victoria's Secret. This is, yeah, I like granny panties, so don't make fun of me if you don't like. This is $12. 3 underwear like this. And this is from Donna Karan, New York. Simple granny panties too. It was $6. I have blue, white, beige. I have many colors of this, black, and now I will have gray. This one is really good quality. Then I got this one. This is a little bit more sexy. It's also Donna Karan, but it looks like this. It's so funny to show my underwear. And $6. One tip from me, guys, to you, if you don't know, wash it before you start wearing all these clothes, because you never know, somebody might return, somebody might try, and blah blah blah. And this is another one. I paid $8. This one is beautiful. Looks like this, the back. I don't know if you see. For your man, you're like, hey baby, you wanna go somewhere in the bed? All right, and the last product from Nordstrom Rack. This one, it was $10 because everybody talking about this and it's on Instagram everywhere. So I'm like, you know, this guinea pig, I have to try whatever is on social media. This is from Patchology Wink and Kiss 5-minute hydrogel mask, 2 pair of lip mask and 2 pairs for eye mask. So looks like this. Lip masks over here, eye masks over here, $10. Patchology. So yeah, that's it guys for today. I love you so much. Let me know if you shop in these stores. Let me know what you like. If you like, please leave me a like. Please subscribe down below. Click the red button, subscribe, and I love you, and I see you in my next video. Bye.